EDC time, everybody. Just got home from work. Gonna show you what I carry every day. Got a paracord bracelet with some sweet skull beads on there. Just got those in. Made this thing the other day. Got my $10 Casio. Keys, wearing my 511 tacticals. Got my keys. My little espionage. Little spider go bug on there. And what else is back here? Back pocket. My wallet. Got my little tactical pen. And let's the other side. Clip to my back pocket, Leatherman Wingman. In the front pocket, Streamlight Stylus Pro. Little cell phone pocket. Cell phone. And let's see what else. Oh, last but not least, got a new knife today. Boker Mini Vanquish. This thing's pretty cool. Can't really see that. It's got blue titanium liners. But anyways, yeah. I don't carry anything in my little cargo pockets. I kind of save those for random things. But yeah, that's my EDC pretty much every day.